Hey y'all, this is Fallon Chalet coming at y'all with a makeup tutorial for green smoky eye. If you would like to see how I got this look, keep watching. So as you can see, I've already done my brows and one of my eyes, and I take them off to get a precise line. If you're allergic to latex, I wouldn't recommend this method. So now I'm just priming my eyelids with the LA concealers. I believe this is in toffee that I use for my skin tone. Again, I'm just priming them to make my eyeshadow pop. Right here I am applying the midnight powder in banana. I do this to prevent my concealer from creasing, which in turn prevents the eyeshadow from creasing also. And I'm using my beauty blender to do this. Let me tell you something about this beauty blender. I mean, it is the best thing since sliced bread. I use this thing for everything. And now I'm using my BH Cosmetics palette in Cool. I am using this reddish brown color as my transition color, which works perfect on my skin tone to blend everything in together. So just blend that right on in with a fluffy brush. And my next video, y'all, I'm gonna make sure I display my brushes so y'all know exactly what brush I'm using. And now I'm just using my BH Cosmetic palette in Neutral, this black color, putting it in my crease to deepen my crease. Carve that out real quick for y'all, like that, like that, like that. Alright y'all, so now I'm just blending in the reddish brown shadow with the black shadow, so there won't be any harsh lines right there. You don't want any line of demarcation. And right now I'm still in my Cool palette from BH Cosmetics, using this turquoise color. It has like black specks in it. Like, it's really hard to explain, but it's a very pretty color. The camera's not doing it any justice at all. And I'm just packing it on with my flat eyeshadow brush. Gonna pack that on, build, like so. Of course, the more you put on, the darker it gets. So it's also like a metallic color. It's very pretty. Just blending out any harsh lines that might be. Also, y'all, the brushes that I'm using, most of the brushes that I'm using are from e.l.f. except for this pink one right here. This is from, I'm sure I'm about to tear this name all the way up, Bedellum Tools. And right here I'm just darkening my crease a little bit more. I wanted it a little bit more darker, so I'm just packing on some more of that black eyeshadow right here. Okay, so making sure everything is straight. I took my tape off. Now I am just concealing these circles, these dark circles up under my eyeballs with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Sometimes your girl can't get no sleep, so yeah, I gotta make sure those circles are gone. Bye-bye. Also, y'all, using concealer helps with that precise line on your outer corner. If you are allergic to latex and don't like using tape or what have you, this concealer also will make your outer corner line very precise. And again, I'm just using my beauty blender to apply that and blend that out. Right now I am using the foundation Classic Tan in L'Oreal. I'm just going to apply this all over my face with my trusty handy dandy beauty blender. So here I am beginning my highlight with the LA Pro Concealer in White Sand. So I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. See, I told y'all, I was saying I use that thing on everything. Me personally, I prefer a subtle highlight and contour for like my everyday look or whatever. It depends on the day for me to really be beat for the gold. So yeah, just doing a light highlight. I'm gonna set it with my Ben Nye banana powder. And me personally, I don't like to bake. I like to just put it on there and blend it out immediately. I don't like to let it just sit on there unless, again, I'm looking to be beat for the gold. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just using this highlight and contour palette from e.l.f. It's in Turks and Caicos. It's not too much sparkle. It's just the right amount of sparkle and matte for the look I was going for. So I'm just contouring out my cheeks, making a little fish face. That's the perfect way to get them cheekbones out, y'all. That fish face, let me tell you. Yeah, so again, just carving out my cheekbones with that. It's actually an angled brush by e.l.f. I think it's one of their studio brushes, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, y'all, now I'm about to get ready to blend everything out in my NYX all over face powder. I use Tawny. Ooh, girl, need to go get some more. So yeah, I'm just using I'm gonna use a foundation brush to just blend everything all the way in together and set my foundation and set everything else. Alright, y'all, this right here is a blush from e.l.f., of course. It's a very pretty pink blush. It has sparkles in it. I don't know the name of it, but I will list it down below in the description bar. I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones. ready to apply my highlighter, which is in gold by Wet n Wild. When I tell y'all, these highlighters are the bomb.com for just $3. Very inexpensive, but gets the job done, which is right up my alley. Y'all, please excuse my nails. I know they toe down, but I promise you I'm getting these nails done. Don't judge me. You don't know my life. Alright y'all, so off camera I applied my eyeliner and my lashes, and now I am applying a lip liner by, I believe it was by NYX NYX. I'm just going to call it NYX. It's just a brown lip liner that I'm using to line my lips. Alright y'all, so now I'm about to apply my lip color. Yeah, I'll be jamming while I be recording, I'm trying to tell you. So this is my lip color in Honey Love by MAC. This is my fave nude lip color for my skin tone, y'all. It is like the best combination between beige and pink. I love this color. So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm also going to be doing some hair tutorials on this channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share. Until next time.